Okay, so the quickest way I've seen to remove the magnets from the frame without actually unloading the entire tool cassette, open up all your tools. So see the magnet down in here. Alright, so the trick is hold your handle out, back your screw out till it's about loose, and turn it a couple of times. Alright, so once you do that, go to the back, split the handle open. Alright, make sure the lock pops out of both sides of the pin so your tools are free. Now I found the easiest way to do this is you could take just something to lift these retainers, which also act as the spring, lift those up just slightly, then use, hold on, alright, so you got one side out. So your magnet's free. There's your magnet guide. Alright, so everything's still in place, washers, all your tools, and the springs. So basically, the easiest way to put it back together, and I have to do it this way just to make sure I get the polarity correct. You want to make sure it's not repelling. So kind of going back the opposite way. It's one side. Make magnets back into place. Okay, so pull that over. Next thing you want to do, put this back in. Alright, now kind of get everything lined back up. Make sure your lock's back in place, holding the handles together. Well, let's see, go do this on camera. Always gets messed up, right? See the magnet? It's in place. Make sure the retainer's in place. Too tight. Good to go. So let's check back here, make sure everything's in place, align, lock, check your depth on your pins. Should be good to go.